I'm going to waterproof my drone and send it down a waterfall. It has been raining non-stop out here for the past like 3 weeks, and I'm sick of staying inside, and you know, drones plus water is not a good idea, so we are going to waterproof this bad boy and we are going to be fearless and dive some waterfalls, or at least that is the goal. So how we're going to do that is with this stuff. So this is basically conformal coating. You just slap it over your quad and basically it's just like a barrier between the electronics, the circuit boards, aka the ESC, etc. And it's supposed to protect it from the rain. That being said, if you look into a drone, like I'm pretty sure you can't completely waterproof everything. Well, at least on my drone, there's a lot of holes everywhere where water can seep in, but we'll do as best as we can. So let's try and get this done now, and I don't care what the weather is, if it's raining, if it's not raining, we are going to dive some waterfalls and make the most of it. Let's go. So once you're done, basically you shine your little UV torch on the conformal coating. As you can see, it glows. Yeah, this is how we're gonna send it tomorrow. Fingers crossed, man. Alright, so we have arrived at ye old waterfall, and it's a fucking Christmas miracle because it is not raining right now and we actually have a bit of sunshine, so that's very good. Like, don't be an idiot just to prove that you can waterproof your drone by flying in the water, because that is very stupid. At the end of the day, it's not fully waterproof, I do not believe, but let's check things out. I see a lot of tree shrubbery everywhere, so I'm a bit concerned that if I dive, I'm gonna get caught in a tree or something, so there's always that risk, but let's go. Alright, so bloody hell, man, that was kind of nuts. My hands are fucking shaking because it was just really cramped during that dive. I didn't get it exactly how I wanted to, but there's just nowhere to run off, you know, so I don't want to lose my drone. There's a brand new Gopro Hero 10. I don't want to lose this shit, so let's try and keep being creative. Let's go down to the bottom of this bad boy and let's try and do some more lines, get some dope shots and see how it goes, but that was nuts. So that was a pretty sick flight. We brushed JH's ankles multiple times, which is nice. And I think we got a pretty decent shot. I'm not sure how good it will look for the phone, like 16:9. You get what I mean, whenever you crop in. But we'll see how that turns out. I think we got the shot. Although it did not rain, I think the waterproofing definitely came in hand because I'm freaking drenched right now. And I can guarantee you at the bottom of the waterfall, there's so much spray and she kept flying regardless. So definitely just conformal coat your stuff just in case. So it is a new day and we are at a new waterfall because last time I don't think we did a good enough job. It was a basic waterfall dive, but we are at this beauty over here. She is getting sent down there. It's been raining on and off a little bit for the past like 5 or 10 minutes, so we're gonna see if the waterproofing is gonna hold up, and I'm gonna fly close down there. So I'll leave you with this flight. If there's imminent disaster happening afterwards, I'll come back, but if everything goes well and according to plan, this will be it. Thank you so much for watching. Show some love, give it a like, do whatever, and catch you guys in the next one.